Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to explore the display value in NocoDB. This feature allows you to identify and associate records easily. Let's dive right in. But first, what's a display value? Well, think of it as a name tag for a record in NocoDB. It is the attribute by which we identify or associate that specific record. It is usually tied to something unique like the primary key, but it doesn't always have to be super strict about it. In a grid view, display values are highlighted, making it easier to recognize the records you're working with. When creating links between two tables, the display value is what appears in the linked records modal. Let's see how to set it up. Go to the current display fields context menu and select Change Display Value field. Then choose the field you want to set as the new display value field and click Change. Now we have a new display value. Another way is to go to the field context menu of the target field and select Set as Display Value. This makes the chosen field the primary identifier for that record. When you add a new link, the display value of the associated record is shown. For example, in a customer table, setting the display value to the customer's name makes it easy to recognize each record. And that's how you can use the display value in NocoDB to make your data more readable and meaningful. Thanks for watching.